Good day, everyone. We are Group 3 and today we'll be presenting a scenario on how to handle a customer complaint about slow service. In the food and beverage industry, delays can happen, but always staff response makes big difference. Our skit will show how to acknowledge an issue, apologize sincerely, and reassure the customer to be positive and experience.
We hope you all enjoy our presentation and learn valuable customer service skills.
Sisig ni Liam is a small, cozy eatery known for its delicious pork sisig and burger steak, which keeps customers coming back for more.
Good day, ma'am. This is our menu and this is our best seller, the pork sisig, the burger steak, and the lechon sawali.
What do you want? Okay, I just want to order one pork sisig and one burger steak.
So this is the total price of your order. 238 lang. Thank you.
One hour later.
I swear, if you don't get our phone call, everything that they will do. It's been almost an hour. Maybe they're just really busy.
Or maybe it's still out. They're hunting the whole season. Hi, ma'am. Is there any problem?
We ordered pork sisig and burger steak almost an hour ago. Is everything okay in the kitchen? Yeah, because before I did that.
Let me check with the kitchen. I'm sorry for the wait.
Today, the restaurant is packed and the staff is struggling to keep up. Customers Jean and Jamaica are growing impatient as they wait for their food, while the kitchen and service staff try to manage the chaos.
Bird order 3 for table 7. That should have been done. Well, we're out of burger steak, so what do I do? 8 more. Let's go.
What's going on? Customers are complaining.
We're short on anything. Short on time. I only have 2 months.
We need to fix this before we lose customers. Let's prioritize the good order.
Almost done. That's what we have 3 minutes ago.
Yes, we understand you busy, but sometimes you will be nice. customer service and also the way they